In this guava season, we really need to be looking for ways to save every dollar. And one way to do that is to lower our food bill. In Trinidad and Tobago, we would typically have some kind of main starch with every meal. And a great substitute for starches like rice and pasta is ground Pigeon or green fig. And growing up in Morvant, it seemed like everybody had a green fig tree in their yard. So green fig wasn't something you bought, because you could always get it from a neighbor even if you didn't have. So just as it was when I was growing up, it's the same way I was gifted a hand of green fig. And I ain't gonna lie, it's been a while since I had green fig. But in making this video, I realized just how cheap, nutritious, and versatile it is, and it'll definitely be something I'll be consuming more regularly. So today I'm preparing a nice little vegetarian meal, a little green fig with stewed pigeon peas. Not Bronx stew though, different kind of stew. We're jumping right in with the ingredient prep for the stewed pigeon peas. To cook the green fig, you want to bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous pinch of salt to the water. Then you want to place the green fig in one at a time. And this doesn't take long to cook, 10 minutes, and when the skin goes dark, you're good to go. And while this fig cooking, let me get to the pigeon peas. Starting off with some oil in a pan, you want to add your chopped onions and saute for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with some coriander seeds. I'm going to add a garlic, toss it around, and then add a sweet pepper, carrot, and pumpkin. You want to season it with salt and black pepper. And then you want to add your green pigeon peas and saute for about a minute. Add a pack of coconut milk powder and let it saute with the peas. This will help to create a nice flavorful sauce. Add some of the shadow benny, some ruku of course, and 1 cup of water. And you know this peas wouldn't be complete without some bay leaf. You want to cover this and allow it to simmer on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes or until the pumpkin and the carrots are tender. And while the peas finish and cook, check out the green fig. Done. And you would know it done when the skin goes dark, but of course you could use a fork to check it to make sure it's tender right through. And of course you want to let the green fig cool before you handle it, because obviously it could be real hot, right? But to peel the green fig, you want to use a knife and create a slit along the side of the fig, and then use your hands to open it. And make sure to remove any of the pieces of skin from the surface of the fig. And I go in for a nice healthy serving here. 3 green fig is more than enough for me. And the rest of them went into the fridge and as food for the next couple days. And something about this meal just feel like a real local Trini cooking. As you could see, this didn't take no big set of time or no big elaborate prep. With just a few ingredients, you could put together a humble but delicious meal in 2 twos. And as you know, green fig is something like a blank slate. So the way to enjoy it is to really add your own side dish to accompany it. I know real people would eat this with saltfish, and that's a real nice meal too. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and give it a share. And remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so. The full recipe can be found on eatahfood.com. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.